Hello, my name is Kevin Seaver. I'm located in Boston, Massachusetts, trusted lawyer since 1991, helping you and your family successfully fight the Department of Children and Families, more commonly referred to as DCF. Recently I had a woman come into my office with a handful of releases. And she says, Kevin, I'm all confused. I'm in the middle of a DCF assessment. And they're asking me to sign all these releases. And I said, well, what's your gut tell you? You're a smart woman. She says, my gut tells me I shouldn't do it. I said, run with your gut. She was absolutely right. DCF was asking for all types of releases to be signed by children's pediatrician, children's school, children's therapist, children's psychiatrists, children's after-school programs, so forth and so on. Now, there's a way around this during the DCF assessment, not to sign the releases for a couple different reasons. First of all, if you have a relationship with a psychiatrist, psychologist, or a therapist, under mumbo jumbo, and I'm going to give you the law, but it's really not that important, just the concept is, but under Mass General Laws, Chapter 233, Section 20B, the flow of information is controlled by you as the patient. You have an important constitutional right regarding the parent-patient privilege as it relates to the collaterals. You want to enforce that. Now, why do you want to enforce that? Social worker might be well-intentioned, well-meaning, but if you've got a social worker and you've got a professional, the social worker might be chatty Cathy, and or the professional might be chatty Cathy. And it may bend or break your rights or your children's rights by talking too much. So how do you get around that? You have the professional write a letter on what DCF is requesting to be told to them. Johnny Jones is attending therapy on a weekly basis. He's engaged, he's on time, he's making good use of his time. The major topics being discussed in therapy are A, B, C, and D. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call me, but I'll need a release. Thank you for your anticipated cooperation, Mr. or Mrs. Therapist. Simple stuff, keep it simple. Now, if you've got a letter, then you can give that letter to DCF. You know there's no information being leaked to DCF that could hurt you or your child. You control the flow of information. That's why you don't sign releases. No rights are being violated. It's a win-win. DCF's happy, you're happy, everybody goes home happy. That's the way to do it. Do not sign any releases until you've had a lawyer look at it. Even if they tell you you can sign them, you're going to have them be limited. But again, who's there when the social worker and the professional talks to limit what's being said and not said? We don't have a referee there with a whistle getting ready to blow it saying, offsides, you're wrong, you can't say it or do that. With a letter, controls all the information. And again, everybody goes home happy. So when you've got releases, have a lawyer read them first. Make sure your lawyer looks at them so that your rights are protected. If you found this video to be educational and informative, please share it with your friends and family. Share the karma and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.